In this lesson, we are going to look at the whole numbers and how to understand them. First, we want to look at the set of counting numbers. The counting numbers, or natural numbers, include the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Again, they are also called the natural numbers. The natural numbers begin with 1 and continue to infinity. Adding the number 0 to the natural numbers, making the set become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and continuing, makes the set become the set of whole numbers. When we notice that all of the natural numbers are included in the whole numbers, we can look at this diagram that represents it. The natural numbers are included in the whole numbers. The difference is that the whole numbers include the number 0. The natural numbers include 1, 2, 3, 4, and continuing. We use the whole numbers to work with place value. In this case, if you notice, we have this divided into 3 main areas. We have the millions, we have the thousands, and we have the hundreds. Putting the numbers into the columns, or their place value, allows us to help read them off. This number is 526,738. And it can be written as 26,738. Anytime that there is a comma in our boxes here, I also put a comma in my written number. Looking here, we want to know in the number 963,542, in what place is the digit 6? So let's first look at our number. 963,542. We want to know what place is the digit 6 in. Well, we know that this is in the thousands area, right here. This is the thousands, and this is the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So our 6 is in the 10,000s place. Another example. Same number, but looking at the digit 4. So again, 963,542. We're looking at the 4. Now this time we're in the hundreds area, but remember that this is the ones, this right here is the ones, this is the tens, and this is the hundreds. Therefore, our 4 is in the tens position, or the tens place. We can also write numbers in what we call expanded notation. These are used to emphasize place value. What we do is we take each number, each digit that is in our number, and write it in the specific place value that it is, with all zeros behind it. For instance, we start off with the number 67,153. Well, what that tells me is that I've got 60,000 to represent my 6. To represent my 7, I have 7,000. Then I have 100. I have 50. And I have 3. And we use a summation to represent this. And if we sum these up, that sum is our number 67,153. Such as it is here. We have 6 10,000s, 7,000s, 4 hundreds, 8 tens, and 9 ones. That is considered expanded form. 6 10,000s plus 7,000s plus 4 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 9 ones. We can also write write words, names for the whole numbers, such as 16 can be written in words and in numbers. 53, notice the hyphenation, and 907. Notice that there is no time that I have used the word "and" in my numbers. "And" represents a decimal. We'll get to those later in our lessons. Write the number for the word. 583,472. We can use our place value chart to help us out. Because if you'll notice, it says 583,000. So we know that that will go in our thousands area here. It specifically tells me 500. So I can put a 5 in the 100,000s. Then I have 83. So that's going to be 8 10,000s and 3,000s. Then I have 472, which will go in my hundreds area. Again, I have 4 hundreds, 70, so that's 7 tens, and 2 ones. So 583,472 is written in numbers that look like this. 583,472.